kweth mar jo Kenya maromo 35 nyaka sani oseyangi ni dhi chung' ne Kenya e tuke mag Olympic ma higa ni ma Paris e piny mar Ufaransa. Jong'wech kaka Faith Kipyegon dhi chung' ne Kenya e tuke mag mita 1,500 kod mita 5,000. E ng'we Aputh Njiri Ferdinand Omanyala ong'ado tiko mar dhi chung' ne Kenya ka Mary Mora dhi chung' ne Kenya e mita 800. Beatrice Chebet dhi ringo e ng'we mar mita 10,000 e kin jong'wech mamoko.
For me, it's something that I'm so excited about, and coming into this championship, I mean the part of the race, the part of the season, I mean, we did not do much. Like I said, we were just doing touch-ups, so we are going to do much into the Olympic camp. So if we are doing little and I'm running 980, so the competitor should be very worried.
The decision is that, I've made a decision. I'm going to double both 15 and 5, and I'm telling my fans to pray for me, and it will be a fun race. I'm praying God to stay healthy, injury-free, and hopefully records will be, records are there to be broken every year. So I'm really working hard, but the bigger goal is gold in Olympics.